On a good morning, so we dey live for Douglas Market, wey dey for Imo State, for the state capital for Owerri. So we say make we give an update with following the cancellation of the Monday sit-at-home wey IPOB people be give. So this morning now for Douglas now, people wey get shop now, they don come out to come open to do their normal business. Even people dey carry perishable goods and people wey get shop for the place. Some shop owners open today, while some close their shop. So we dey live now for Douglas Owerri for inside the Imo State. The sit-at-home cancellation be happen last 2 weeks Monday, when the group come out to talk say they don cancel the sit-at-home, say make people come out to do their businesses. The cancellation, person wey be bring the confirmation na their spokesperson wey im name na Powerful. Na him come out to issue one press release say IPOB people don cancel the sit-at-home order wey they give. So the cancellation, people be no believe say whether the cancellation go happen till when the first Monday sit-at-home after the cancellation come happen. People no too come out again to come do their businesses. Even for Olu, people sef they no even come out today to no business or moving vehicle wey dey load. I don go park this morning to check whether I go fit see motor wey dey go Olu. So the park now where I go, they say no bus wey dey go Olu for now, unless you go gree stop for Umaka. If you see bike wey go carry you go Olu, you go. So this morning now we dey for Douglas. As you go fit see now, people don come out to they go do their normal businesses. Vehicle now dey move for Owerri for inside the Imo State. So where we dey na Douglas market for Owerri, Imo State. So the sit-at-home order, when Powerful be dey talk, Powerful say they cancel am till when their oga wey name na Nnamdi Kanu go appear for court. So na wetin make they cancel the sit-at-home order when their oga go appear for court. And with their information wey reach ground, the oga be beg them say make they cancel and wait for the next court case. Nnamdi Kanu go appear for court again October 21st. If you remember, he suppose appear for court before, but due to say the DSS no produce the man for court that day, na Justice Binta come talk say she no go fit hear matter or give judgment when the person wey suppose give the judgment when the person dey absent. Say she no go fit do that kind thing. Now she come and join the court case go October 21st. So where we dey now? We dey for Douglas market where they sell perishable goods. People come out this morning to come sell their goods. And today na Monday, and the sit-at-home order, the IPOB, they don cancel am. But the thing be say people no dey still dey. When I even follow person talk, the person talk say not be to come out be the problem. Say yes, the thing dey affect im businesses, but since fear don enter them, they fear them too to come out to come open their shop. Wetin make they no dey gree wan open shop. Some people too wey get shop for here, they no open their shop but they just sit down for their shop. Maybe in case of if customer wan buy something from their hand, they go open their shop. No, only some people wey open their shop this morning for Owerri. So where we dey now? We dey for Douglas market for Owerri. Vehicle dey move, but the only vehicle now wey no dey for Owerri here na motor wey dey load Olu. Now we no see this morning for this place. So where we dey na Douglas market for Owerri. As we dey monitor the sit-at-home cancellation wey the IPOB be don do. So even before now, some Igbo leaders them and then some group don be beg IPOB say make they cancel am. Say because of the thing go worry the economy wey dey for southeast. Na the people now don cancel am, but people too still never gree believe say the cancellation don dey legit or the cancellation na true. So na he make some people no dey too dey come out again. So before this Douglas place na where be say traffic dey choke for this place well well, wey be say this place pass still reach road to Aba. You go fit get motor dey go Aba from here, you go fit still get motor dey go